In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to implement ClickUp for your agency. Whether you're just starting out or aiming to streamline your existing workflows, organizing your workspace effectively can set the stage for seamless operations. Let's break it down, shall we? First, envision your workspace as a reflection of your entire agency. This is where your central operations will take place. Begin with a clear and structured hierarchy to keep your agency scalable and focused. You'll want to create spaces within your workspace that align with your agency's core functions. Think along the lines of growth, delivery, and operations. These are the foundational pillars that will support your agency's workflow. Moving into these spaces, you'll organize folders to represent your clients or major deliverables. This helps in keeping everything compartmentalized and easily accessible. Within each folder, establish lists for specific campaigns or projects for each client. This distinction allows you to keep track of ongoing projects without losing sight of the individual details that make each campaign unique. Now, diving deeper, individual tasks and subtasks should be created to represent specific actions or deliverables. This task-based breakdown allows for detailed oversight without overwhelming the broader structure. Experienced teams often recommend starting with a straightforward approach, perhaps beginning with one space for client-facing work and another for internal operations. This simplicity sets a solid foundation, allowing you to evolve and expand as your agency grows. Next, let's shift gears into setting up your projects and tasks effectively. Within the lists you've crafted for campaigns, create tasks that represent broader deliverables and further break them down into subtasks for each actionable item. This detailed structure keeps everyone on your team aligned and informed about who is responsible for what and when. Customization is your best friend here. By leveraging custom statuses such as pitch, in progress, review, and completed, you gain enhanced visibility over the project's lifecycle. This status tracking is invaluable for maintaining momentum and ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Additionally, incorporate custom fields for crucial information like budget, priority level, and client details, giving each project a personalized touch to suit its specific needs. Moreover, utilizing different views is a game changer. Whether you prefer a Kanban board for visual workflow management, a calendar for pinpointing timelines, or a timeline view to map out entire project spans, find what fits best for your agency's needs. This flexibility in visualization offers comprehensive dashboards tailored to your operational requirements. As you set up ClickUp for your agency, remember that starting simple and gradually building complexity is key. This approach allows for scalability and adaptability, ensuring that as your agency evolves, your ClickUp setup grows with it, providing ongoing clarity and efficiency in your operations. By following these strategies, you're positioning your agency not only to optimize its current processes, but also to thrive well into the future. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this guide helpful for crafting an effective ClickUp setup tailored to your agency's unique demands.